Mbappé just made history, but fans are not happy. France are out in one of the craziest matches ever. 10 goals, drama, and a moment everyone is talking about. What a game this was. France versus England turned into a goal fest. Mbappé scored 2 goals, showing once again why he's one of the best in the world. But despite his brilliance, France couldn't keep up defensively. Fans expected a strong finish, but instead chaos, mistakes, and total madness on the pitch. Even in defeat, Mbappé made history. He is now the all-time World Cup top scorer with 22 goals. And he also wins the Golden Boot with 10 goals in this tournament. That means one thing. Mbappé is officially dominating the World Cup stage like never before. But wait, something strange happened. Yes, during the match. Mbappé swapped shirts at half-time. Some called it disrespectful, others said it shows confidence. But one thing is clear, everyone is talking about it. Is it the end of an era?